Hi, my name is Ron Maton. I currently live in South Africa on a farm just outside Ndrina, in Mpumalanga. I completed my high school year in 2019 at Morgensson Landbou Academy, a farming school. A few things you need to know about me. I have a passion for farm work, for animals, especially cattle and sheep. I recently have experience with tractors as well. 3 to 4 years that I've worked with these tractors that I'm currently using. We use the 7060 New Holland, 6090 New Holland, 6070 and 6050. The 6050 New Holland we use to pull the planter. A 6-line John Deere 7090 planter. I currently operate it every year for 3 years now. I also operate the spreader as well, the lime spreader and the sprayer as well. And I can do general groundwork as well. Thank you very much.